I've decided to make another video concerning some new machines I've got. This ThinkPad, this Chromebook, and my Raspberry Pi. So let's start off with the Pi. Pi occasionally takes a long while to boot up. I hope that doesn't mean anything bad. Nope, seems reasonable. Doing something. It works through HDMI, but will it work through composite? I have anything to test that with? Oh yeah, I do. Check it through composite as well. Appears to be doing something. Connectivity check thing came up, so it's getting further than it did before. Taskbar, wallpaper. Right, the icons are showing up. Yeah, it's okay, I suppose. Yeah, just have to reboot it in composite mode. And I'll come back when that's in that mode. But for now, we're just going to reboot this one. Okay, it's in composite mode, so it's boot to that. Let's see if it reboots in the thingy mode. Okay, I've rebooted it in composite mode and it appears to be looking promising. Because as it's ran constantly off, this is usually where it crashes. So we'll oh, what was that text? That was a bit scary. Right, we got a mouse cursor up there. Oh, some connectivity thing that won't work because there's no internet. Don't mind the racket, it's just a podcast in the background that I'm not listening to, it's someone else. Wallpaper, taskbar, icons. Yeah, full system boot. I think. Pretty successful. Chromebook. Raspberry Pi repair. I'm going to shut this one down and move on to one of the new toys I got to see if they work or not. Here's one of the scrap laptops I've got. ThinkPad. ThinkPad Edge, I believe. ThinkPad Edge. No model. Don't have any information. There's that if you need it. But yeah, let's see if it works. It's a good sign. I just randomly stuck a hard drive in here, so I don't know what's actually on it. But it works. Oh, Windows 10. Or Windows 8.1, one of the two. This, I believe, was an ex-library system, so it didn't have the original hard drive in it, so I took that out. God knows where it is now. Let's actually have a look. I like these because they've got the red thing on here, both sides. Oh, getting devices ready. Oh yeah, it's because I clearly haven't powered it on since I've jammed the new hard drive in. Okay, this might take a while, so I'll come back when it's booted up. The ThinkPad had some sort of school stuff that I'd want to remain private, so I turned the ThinkPad back off, but it works. I might just install clean Windows 8 or 8.1 on it. So here's an Asus Chromebook C300. It's got a broken battery connector ripped off the board, missing screen that was cracked, and I believe the touchpad it said wasn't working either, but I may have mended that by reseating the connection. So let's plug in the power supply, it's set to 19 volts, trailing all the way from over there. So here we go. Oh. It's a weird noise coming from inside. Weird. Some lights on though. No input on the TV set. Oh, what input am I on? Hold on a sec. Try again. Oh yeah. This appears to be working. Right, someone else has signed in on that. Well, it did come from a school, so I'm not surprised why. Better oh. Appears that the touchpad is actually broken, so more micro soldering for me, I suppose. Just plug a mouse in. Oh, there we go. We just sign out. Okay, so we disconnect to the Wi-Fi. We do that. I'm gonna have to quickly insert the password and come back. Okay, so I'm signed in now. So I don't want to bother with sync stuff. Yeah. I accept. More. Skip. Accept and continue. Yay. Thank you so well. The thing is, I don't want a MacBook rip-off. I've already got one HP machine and I don't need any more Asus, thank you very much. I don't want any more Chromebooks. I'm going to close this down too. This is Lovely. Where's Chrome? So open that up. Yeah, I can Google whatever the heck I want, such as yeah, that works. So this Chrome looks a-okay, except for a few minor cosmetic blemishes. So I suppose all it needs now is a bit of personalisation. So I'll do that now, I suppose. And look what happens when I turn it on. Just gonna sign in. Yeah, classic. So now that's all the machines I've tested. I've tested the Chromebook, ThinkPad. Thank you all for watching. Please, of course, leave a comment if you have one.